In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Apache NetBeans IDE. Let's go to website. We have 12.4. I'm going to download Windows 64 bits version. As we can see, I can have 12.4. It will take about 10 minutes. It depends on your internet speed. Okay, upset the thumbs. Here I'm going to install NetBeans with JDK 16.0.1. That's the location for Apache NetBeans. This is our latest version, so I will uncheck it. Okay, finish. This one saying that I do have a previous versions, so I say no, I don't want to import, so that I can demonstrate how it looks like at the beginning. As you can see, the menu and the toolbars doesn't appear. Now all of them appear. So Java with ends, Java applications. So you need to install Java plugins. So mb javac upset the thumbs, install. Okay, once you wait for a while, your menu and toolbars will start to show up. Okay, it's activating JavaFX. Look at the menu and then toolbars. Okay, now NetBeans support Java SE. So let's create a new project, Java Hello World. So this project consists with one Java source file. So system out print Java Hello World. You can run it. So on your console you have a Java Hello World. Let's make one minor change. So font here I will change to Consola, so that will be easier to read. Okay. For comments, instead of gray color, I will change to be something more readable. Apply, okay. Here, Java platforms, if you have different version of JDK, you can add additional one. For example, I do have a JDK 1.8. Next, then you can add the JDK 1.8. For now, I'll just cancel it. Let's create a new project for JavaFX FXML application. So we need to activate additional modules. So let's say both of them. I think I already did, but just in case, activate both JavaFX implementation plugins. Okay, finish. As you can see, JavaFX platform does not come with JDK 16. So you won't be able to create the JavaFX application project. Let's go back to Java within. Let's create a project as a Java application. Then we can convert to JavaFX application project later on. Okay, this is javafx hello.java. Eventually we are going to ignore it. Normally JavaFX project consists with 3 files. The first one will be fxml. That's fine, we can keep it as it is. With the controller, I will leave it this one. So here it says that NetBeans cannot recognize JavaFX library. So let's go and add JavaFX SDK library. jar. In my case, I save it to C drive. It's on the program files. Java on the JavaFX SDK 16 library. Normally you need at least 4 of them. Base, controls, fxml, graphics. Okay. I will make a link to JavaFX SDK installation video. You can clean and build. Everything seems okay. Let's add the JavaFX main class. Then here, when you try to run JavaFX main class, it complains there is no JavaFX runtime components. What we need to do is we need to add VM options. Because JavaFX SDK library is provided as external. When we run a JavaFX program, we need to add VM options. to say that we are running application with external library. State. Add modules. JavaFX controls without space. JavaFX FXML. Clean and build. You can try to run it. This time we have error occur during initialization of boot layer. Also missing model, which is not true. Go to deployment. Switch project to JavaFX deployment model. From JavaFX from Java applications. Select the existing one. We have FXML. Okay. Now we just convert Java application to be JavaFX application. Okay, it says a different error. If we go down here, it says that unable to create JavaFX script engine for JavaScript. Let's go to properties. So here, packaging, you need to uncheck build jar after compile, because Ant does not support JDK 16, so that you won't be able to build the jar. Okay, now it's okay. Let's try to run your project. You won't be able to do so. Okay. To avoid this problem, you can run fxmain directly. Okay, not as a project, directly. So here you go. Hello world up here. So that's how you can run JavaFX project. Let's go to JavaFX. I already configured JavaFX SceneBuilder. Again, I will make a link to JavaFX SceneBuilder installation video. You can open it. You can open FXML in SceneBuilder. I have a one anchor pane. Let's add one button. Change to OK. Let me add FX ID. Object name called btn OK. Event handler, I will say handle btn OK. Save it. To generate the code, you can say make controller. So we can have line number 23, btn OK, and then event handler method on line number 34. System out, print. OK button is clicked. Clean and build. Okay, now you need to link with the JavaFX 16. Okay, that's the controller. So let's go to controller. Okay, that's what we had. Implement according to fxml clearly shows that fxml and then controller is linked. So let's modify this source code. This example, let's remove it. I am using anchor pane as a parent, so let's say parent. I may need to import that class. Here we can point to fxml documents, fxml loader, load, then URL, okay, class, okay, resource, name of the fxml file, that will be capital fxml dot lowercase fxml. Okay, also you need to set the path correctly. So let's say package name, so that main class can find the fxml documents correctly. Missing bracket, import parent. Okay, unused classes, remove. Here we are going to use IO exception. Okay. Throws IO exception, that's fine. Here we don't need that. Okay. The scene, okay, that's fine. We can have a loot. We can remove size. I will say javafx hello world. Everything seems okay. Set title, set scenes, and then show clean and build. We don't need that anymore, so remove. So now we can have fxml controller, then fxmain. Okay. Again, when you try to run the project, it won't work. So you need to go to fxmain, then run it from there. Okay. Wait for a while. Okay, now we have a customize button. When you say OK button is clicked. So this is how we use JavaFX SceneBuilder. So typical JavaFX projects, you have one fxml controller and the main class using JavaFX SceneBuilder. Yes, of course you may use a CSS sometimes, but let me just skip that. So let me quickly show you what I have. Okay. As you can see, I have Apache NetBeans IDE 12.4 with Java 16.0.1 on Windows 10. Okay, SceneBuilder, I have 16.0.0. That's all. Thank you.